Hey guys, back at the skate park for today's assignment. So for the simulation today, you're going to go to the playground. That's located right here. So below, you're going to click your link and go to the playground. Now it's going to look a little different today. We don't have any ramps already set up for us. That's because you're going to design your own skate park. You're going to use this tool right here for your ramps. I'll put this up here, make a curve here. I'm going to grab another one of these. Maybe make a jump. Make this jump a little bit. So I'm going to turn on the pie chart because I want to pay attention to what's happening with my kinetic and potential and even my thermal energy. Maybe do a bar graph for right now. Take my skateboarder. Good thing skateboarder's got the helmet on for safety. Here we go. Jump. Oof. Yes. And definitely noticing what's going on with the pie chart. I was able to see that one a little bit better as the skateboarder's going rather than looking back at the bar graph, but whatever's easiest for you. You can play around with the grid, the speed. Again, you could adjust the mass to small, large, friction to none to lots of friction. You can go to slow motion, reset your skater. There's a little erase button if you want to change things around. You can add or take away these different ramps. You may even find some failures, which is all part of the simulation. Let's say just that, but maybe we'll have this. I bet you this won't work, right? Oh no. There we go with the skateboarder. Uh-oh, going backwards, unless we wanted him to go that way. Okay, so it's time for you to explore a little bit in the playground mode of the simulation. Play around with it enough so you feel comfortable later answering the questions in the exit ticket. So be sure to answer those questions when you are all done. Have fun exploring, boys and girls.